Hi, I'm Jeremy Smith, owner of Body Leap Personalized Training. I'm a health and fitness solutions provider in Akron, Ohio, offering personalized training along with our premier Life Peak Performance coaching. Our solution to achieving lifelong sustainable success for our clients, and I'm also a big fan of your show. I have an idea for a recurring segment for the show, bringing new sponsors, recruiting new listeners, and, best for last, creating an impact, expedite the pandemic's recovery efforts, gifting you and your listeners a greater appreciation for what I feel the holidays are about: connecting, sharing, and gratitude. I feel we live in a time of great uncertainty, and thus creating tremendous fear with preventable, painful outcomes. I have a plan to reestablish certainty during these uncertain times, and I'm asking for your help to share it. My first plan of action is to start a movement for a yearly event to make an epic shift in how we perceive the upcoming cold and flu season, as well as COVID and other life challenges we all face. I call my plan Project H.O.P.E, helping other people excel. I'm looking to recruit participants for our 12-week life challenge, a blueprint for developing inner, outer, and spiritual strength, the foundation for a TV concept I created. It's a show about the ultimate transformation from near homelessness to success for those who yearn for a new beginning, something we, the world, badly needs in our recovery from this pandemic. My mentor, Tony Robbins, says, change your story, change your life. With my guidance, I will help participants rewrite their life stories into superhero adventure stories, transcending stories of the broken to the unbreakable, the depressed to impressed, fat bods to fit bods, victims to victors, turning messes into messages, messages of second chances for healthy new beginnings, to achieve lives we all desire and deserve, extraordinary lives, a life lived on your terms, even during a pandemic. My life's journey and passion have driven me to create Body Leap Personalized Training, and why I'm compelled to share it with others. Body Leap is not about creating awesome fat-burning workouts and amazing weight loss plans for people to get their bodies in great shape, although we do that well. Body Leap's core value is that having a healthy and fit body paired with an extraordinary mindset can create a synergistic effect, enhancing life's pleasurable moments and giving one the inner strength of confidence and determination to conquer and grow from life's challenges, better quality lives through healthier lifestyle choices. For over 22 years, I have provided personal training services in the privacy of clients' homes in the greater Akron, Cleveland, Ohio area, gifting me unique skills and perspectives that a trainer in a traditional gym environment would not have, becoming a more effective trainer and delivering a genuinely personalized training experience for my clientele. It is my philosophy the journey to success is that of a tandem mountain climb. I can only achieve climbing to the top of the mountain by pulling up and lifting above me those who desire more out of life, with the hope they will do the same in return. As a guest on your show, I would propose considering the following key points for discussion. Where it all started, the genesis of my TV concept and life challenge. Back in June 11th, 2011, the Akron Beacon Journal had written an article about a project I was doing at that time, titled Bodybuilder Has Inner Strength, a quest that started homeless, living in a vehicle, driven, searching for answers. I included a PDF of the article within this email if you want to check that out. Also, I'd like to discuss the day the newspaper article came out, medicine I, the patient, badly needed, something I'm sure we've all experienced. When I learned to embrace the pain and navigate the experience, I became a wiser, more understanding, and loving person. I want to share this freeing process with you and your listeners. After the release of the article to now, how I stopped running and began reconnecting, and the lessons learned of the powers of sharing, giving, and forgiving. When you forgive, you live. I'd also like to talk about my experiences with counseling and the unique and beneficial techniques used, such as EMDR, eye movement desensitization reprocessing, comic book psychotherapy, indirect intervention, counseling, where my counselor used one of my fictional stories I had written to counsel me indirectly through the challenges that the characters face in their reality. This romantic fictional story, a parallel to my own life story, was used as a coping tool in my therapy for healing and enlightenment. Treat this as a form of edutainment for mental health awareness and betterment. And finally, and most importantly, I'd like to dive into my proposal for the seasonal weekly segment that I have in mind for your show and devise a plan to best serve your listeners' health and fitness needs. So, I leave you with this final thought. My motto that I hope one day you'll adopt as your own. Extraordinary mindset, extraordinary body, an extraordinary life. I appreciate your consideration as a guest on your show, and I look forward to hearing back from you. I'm Jeremy Smith, yours in good health, and be well.